EDC, another rabbit hole hobby for my wife to get pissed off at me about. But I'm kind of used to that. So hello and welcome to my first and hopefully not my last EDC Sunday. My goal is to explore the world of EDC, and even though I'm not an expert, I hope that maybe we can learn together. In this, I want to cover EDC products such as knives, watches, tools, pocket trash, and even the care of all of these products. I have on my Orient Ray II orange dial. Since I bought this, or since my wife bought it for me, it's barely come off my wrist. Focus. There you go. And that's actually showing off the lume pretty good too. I absolutely love this watch. So that's one. Next is a Benchmade Bugout. Now, a lot of you probably already have this one because it's a pretty popular knife, but this one is a lot of fun. I even put on a custom lanyard that I made myself. But there's that. I used to carry a big wallet, but they say that was hurting my back, so I went to a minimalist wallet. Started off with another one I'll show you in another video, but then I found this one on Amazon. It's by Hide and Drink. It's just a really small leather wallet that I absolutely love. The patina that it's getting on it is fantastic. So this was really inexpensive, and I really like this one as well. So there you go, now you can see it. And other than that, not much for today. A few bracelets that I've bought or made myself, and right now that's it. A pen that I'm using to write my scripts down with. But other than that, it's pretty light today. So I kind of want these to be shorter videos and very interactive with you, the viewer. So in the comments, go ahead and let me know what your EDC is or what you carry on a daily basis. Also, I'll link my Instagram down in the descriptions if I can speak, so that you guys can show me what it is that you carry. Tag me and put the hashtag EDC Sunday so that I can show your pictures and what your EDC is in future episodes. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like this. And as always, long ashes. Wait, that's my other videos. I can't really do that on this one. I'll need an outro for that. I don't know what I should use. Honey, what should I use as an outro line?
Broke as hell.
Broke as... That's actually not bad. And as always, EDC will make you broke as hell. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Today, why don't... You done? Nope.